Hi guys, this is your very special day on how to bake your croissant for our Beauty Point Public School virtual morning tea at 9:30. Yay! Now all you need for this exercise, you've done half the work last night. Today is all you need to do, get mum and dad to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. And while they preheat their oven, you can get yourself ready. And to get yourself ready, you need a little bowl, one single egg, whisk it well with a fork, and then a baking brush for basting the egg onto your croissant. Basting, it literally just means brushing the egg wash onto your croissant, just like that. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm going to lift this up. There you go. Just brush your little baby. Be gentle with him or her. You know, you don't want to upset him or her because you want him or her to be perfectly well baked, okay? Now, ready to be popped in your preheated oven. Okay, now I'm going to pop mine in my preheated oven, and then I'm going to show you in a sec on what it looks like after it's baked. It takes 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. Okay, bye. Hey, look, 22 minutes in my oven, 180 degrees. This is what I got. This yummy baby is so light and fluffy, and the color you should be looking for is golden brown and crispy on the outside shelled. Mine's a little burnt, but it doesn't matter. It still tastes just as amazing as the one that looks to its perfection. So yes, and I cannot wait to see all your results on Monday morning, and I see you then. Bye. Is that much?